Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare my delicious chicken pepper soup. It's quite simple and straightforward and you can never go wrong. The ingredients you need to prepare this chicken pepper soup will be in the description box. First of all, cut and wash your chicken, blend your pepper, ginger and garlic. Season and pre-cook your chicken. Add very little water to combine the ingredients. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. As for me, I use Ntong chicken cube. I don't use any other spices except the ones mentioned, but some people do. It's a matter of choice. Allow to cook while stirring from time to time for about 5 to 7 minutes. While the chicken is pre-cooking, prepare your veggies. What is pepper soup without a bit of green? And for this recipe, I'll be using scent leaf, also known as Ntong by the Efok and Igor people. Just a little bit to give it that green color. I don't like my pepper soup very green, so just a little bit will do. Also chop your onions, you will need it for later. After about 5 to 7 minutes, our chicken is already looking yummy. Now we are ready to cook the pepper soup proper. As you can see, there is enough juice from our chicken, so just add a cup of water. Actually, depending on the quantity of pepper soup you desire, you can add any quantity you desire, just enough for you, but I'll add just a cup. At this point, go in with your leftover pepper mix. Also add your roughly blended tomatoes just to give it a bit of color. Add your chopped onions, scent leaf, another seasoning cube and salt to taste. Bring to a boil for about 10 minutes. Don't overcook your chicken pepper soup so the veggies don't overcook. And tada, we have our delicious chicken pepper soup served with boiled rice and any chilled drink of your choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification.